know the difference between battle royale.
Mom, you need to sit down.
I gotta
And here.
look, you gonna finish making your sandwich? I bet it is. You want some more jelly? Or you good? Alright, you need some help. Okay, that's yours? Alright, you gonna clean up your mess? Okay. Okay, wipe off the jelly, look. Okay, put the top back on. Of their what? Assets? Put that back. Okay, give it. Put it right there. Beside the cereal. Beside the cereal. One more shelf.